So hello students, today I want to explain the lab cycle programs of part A, like 4 lab cycle programs. I will explain to you about Python program. So better just observe the video. First I will open a blank file. So I opened a blank file and I'll open a default which I have already created called as a test file. Okay, so I will clear this. Okay, so let us do a lab cycle program. About part A, I will do 4 activities of lab cycle program, that is part A. First is Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series is what you call as, it is the series which adds the number by prefix. So for example, if I give as 5, it's a Fibonacci series. So how I can tell that it's a Fibonacci series? That is, let us start from 0 plus 1 is 1. So prefix number I will take. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so now next is 1 plus 2. Okay, and also you will call as 3 here. Okay, see here. Now next will not be 4 because I am adding with prefix number. I am pointing here. So 2 plus 3 is 5. It will be like this. Okay, so 6 is not a Fibonacci series. So if you give 5, it will display yes. If you give 8, it will display yes. So if I add a 3 plus 5, how much it is? It is 8. So that is the thing. So I'm prefixing, I'm adding the previous number. So that is Fibonacci series. So 5 is also Fibonacci series and 8 is also Fibonacci series. Let us do this program right now. Okay, so this is a blank file. I will delete everything else. So let us start doing the program. So I will type here as n is equal to after that I'm just taking variables like this, comma b is equal to, I will take it as 0, comma 1. So I'm starting from 0 and after that I'm taking this while loop here, while b is less than n. So you have to use colon for this, and after that I'm using a, b minus b, comma a plus b. As I showed you, right, you are adding the previous number, and after that print is using yes, and after that I'm using if statement. If b is equal to n, if it is correct, if it is Fibonacci series found, then it will display yes, else it will display no. It is done here. So now let us execute this. So okay, so I have to close this. Fine. Okay, so now I'll save this and I'll run over here. Unexpected index. Okay, so now I should go like this. Okay, so like this you have to debug. Examination also, if it throws error, you can debug. I'm debugging. So So indentation it is throwing, not a big issue. So if you give 5 over here, nothing to do with it. Okay. Just okay, fine. So you got the picture. This is what you call as. So next we can get into another one, quadratic equations. So what is the use of quadratic equation? A quadratic equation use it to find the nearest root. Okay, to find the nearest root we use discriminant. That is what he tells here. Okay.